In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock domains in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to switch on the protection that helps prevent unauthorized domain transfers. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Google. Type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Make sure you're on the real site before signing in. Look for the secure connection indicator in your browser and the correct web address to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on GoDaddy's homepage, sign into your account. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your account name. This opens a quick menu with shortcuts to different parts of your account. From here, choose My Products. This is your dashboard where everything you own with GoDaddy is listed in one place. In the My Products area, find the Domain section and click Manage All. This takes you to your domain portfolio, which is a centralized view of every domain in your account along with their current status and settings. It's the best place to manage security, DNS, and renewals. Next, select the domain you want to lock. Click directly on the domain name to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right domain, especially if you manage several. You'll see tabs or sections for things like DNS, contact information, and security. On the domain's details page, look for the Lock option. Depending on your view, it may appear as Domain Lock, Lock, or a security toggle. Click it to open the lock settings. This is where you can control whether the domain is protected against unauthorized transfers. Choose Turn Lock On. Turning on the lock adds an extra layer of protection by preventing your domain from being transferred away without your approval. It doesn't usually stop you from updating DNS records or connecting your domain to websites and email, so day-to-day management still works as expected. To finish, click Continue to confirm the change. You may see a brief loading message, and in some cases you could be asked to verify the change for security. Once it's done, look for a confirmation message or check that the lock status now shows as On. That's your sign everything worked, and that's it. You searched for GoDaddy, signed in, went to My Products, opened Manage All under Domains, selected your domain, chose Lock, turned it on, and confirmed. If you ever plan to transfer the domain in the future, remember you'll need to come back here and turn the lock off before starting that process. Thanks for watching, and happy securing your domains.